Good afternoon, everybody. This is Christina Maddox with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I am your international travel advisor here in Puerto Vallarta, and I'm staying at the Grand Lux. And I wanted to show you these beautiful 6-star, 5-diamond property here, the room that I'm staying in. So when you first enter, okay, it's a full kitchen, okay, with stove and refrigerator, okay. Also have a microwave, and your coffee bar area. You're able to cook in your room. Okay. Then this is the living room area with a flat screen television. Gorgeous, isn't it? You can have a nice meal here. Look at this gorgeous mirror. I'll take you out to the deck where there is a pool. So out here, okay, you can see there's a pool here, okay, seating. This is your view here. That's your view. Look how gorgeous this is. Now I'm going to go back in and show you the rest of the room. So you can pretty much see, this is your living room, kitchen, dinette area, okay? Next, I'm going to show you the bedroom, which is a king-size bed, okay? This is the bedroom, okay? And then this is 1.5 bath. So this is the bathroom. Right, you have your swimming pool on your deck, and then you have your jacuzzi tub, dual sinks, which I love. You guys know I love these, and they work. These are the products here at the Grand Lux. This is your shower area there. Products that they have at the Grand Lux, which is replenished. This is your toilet. Separate toilet area with your phone. See that? Full length mirror. Then you come right out here. And then this is your half bath. So if you were entertaining in your room, your guests would not have to use your main bathroom. And so this is the property, guys. So I'm going to be here for 8 days. And this is it. So you guys have seen some of the deals that I've posted. We currently have a sale going on right now, $349 off your airline tickets per person. And all the rates that we have, no matter if you want to do Mexico or any of the Caribbean, is all-inclusive rates, which includes all your food, all your drinks, all your libations, all your taxes, all your gratuities, as well as your private transfer, car transportation taking you from the airport to the resort and from the resort back. Reach out to me for booking, laying away your vacation at 267-334-0301. Have a blessed Saturday, everybody, and a blessed weekend. Bye.